Oh, this t-shirt has a logo hapa nyuma. Lakini the black one jamani. Hello guys, it's your boy Benji 254 and today I'm coming to you live from Kisii. And I'm actually in Shags. Actually, this video is meant to say thank you for those guys who subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm finally at 1,000 subscribers. And I promised myself that when I get to 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for those guys who made my dream come true. I promised myself branded t-shirts. That was really inamaanisha nini, but I just decided to get them. Yeah, just for fun. So today I'm just working in my branded t-shirt hapa with my channel name, ama stage name, ama nini, Benji 254. So nilikuwa nimejipromise nikasema nikifika 1,000 subs ningeenda Mombasa I was to go to Mombasa nijivinjari kwa upepo wa bahari. Then wala bin wala wala bin vu. I was told that, hata sieti I was told, nikaona kwa news wanasema tourists msienda Mombasa, kuna upepo mwingi baharini na kuna mawimbi mengi, so msiende pale. And that was the week actually when I got to 1,000 subscribers, so I had to postpone. So huo upepo wa bahari ukiisha watu wa Mombasani bana mniambie nije hapo, lakini nimekula savings zote. So hapo ushago tunakula mua. So I don't have much today. I'm just saying thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Unless we share this, yeah, I'm so happy. It's a dream come true. It actually seemed like something so hard. Ilikuwa inakaa mlima, but now I know how it feels, or what it feels to get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, story time. I don't have a story today. Maybe I wanted to do episode 5 of my life experiences. Yeah, so we'll start from there. So if you're watching this video and you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is Benji 254. And if you are a returning subscriber, or you had subscribed before, thank you so much. You've made me come this far. Oh, this t-shirt has a logo hapa nyuma. Yep. It has a YouTube logo. Yeah. So apparently I got myself two. I have a black one. Lakini the black one jamani, anyone who advised me, anyway, I advised myself, guys, don't get yourself black t-shirts unless you're going to a funeral. Nilikuwa natembea, imagine walking with this t-shirt branded with my name and then it's black. So guys were like, wanirumia ni kama nimetoka mazishi. Anyway, I like this one. And then I tried shooting with this one, Joe ikiwa imewaka. I don't know whether I should post that video here. Ilikuwa ina reflect hata saizi. Shida ya kupost na hii inataka uende place yenye iko dark. Place iko dark. So nilikuja huku nikidhani place ni dark. Oh my god. Though green is for nature. So if you're watching this video, let's make a community. Nataka ifike ile point yenye you just thirst for, can I say, content. You just can't wait to see me posting. And if I don't post, you are supposed to come to my inbox and remind me. And I'm giving a shout out to my fiance. Guys, I'm engaged. I don't have a girlfriend, I have a fiance. Is it a fiancé or a fiance? Yeah, so and while you guys were going bike riding while you were young, sisi, it was a competition. Unakula mua, you eat, alafu na make sure umetafuna hizi maganda zote, everything, the whole thing you're supposed to chew hadi ukichoma inakauka o ichomeke yote. Yeah, hapo unajua wengine hapa sisi si cool kid. Those are the games that we used to play when we were young. Unachukua mua mzima, you eat, you chew, alafu na make sure umechoma. So you would work with zile viberiti. Yeah. Hebu mtuambie mlikuwa mnacheza game gani mkiwa wadogo? So saizi bana, we've come from far. Anyway, today I don't have much to say. Nataka tu mnione tu. Just enjoy looking at me as I eat these miwa ya Kisii. Yeah, hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Benji254 and today nimeanza video from my humble abode. Yeah, mlisema humble abode ni my mansion, eh? Yeah, this is my humble abode. And hapo ushago maji ya kuoga huwa tunaweka asubuhi. So you wake up in the morning at 6, alafu unaweka maji yako nje. So that ikifika by saa 9 after umaliza kazi zako ndio unatumia maji yako. Anyway, example ndio hapa.